I am meditating on the soul and the heart of Hungary. I think of Hungary as a beautiful country that is crying, that is hungry for God's blessings, hungry for God's love, hungry for God's compassion. So I am meditating prayerfully and soulfully on the soul and the heart of Hungary. While praying and meditating, I am also requesting the soul of Hungary to bless me and my devoted service that I come here to offer to Hungary. I am a lover of God. I love God lovingly, prayerfully, soulfully, and self-givingly. There is nothing on earth that can be stronger than God's love. I pray to God to inundate my entire being with His love, with His blessings and compassion. So I am trying to be of service to mankind with love. There are many ways people adopt to serve the world. My way is through love. So I feel God's strongest power is love. His love is the only answer. With His love, He is trying to transform our nature, our life, not with this so-called power. The power that forces us to do something is not the power, real power. The real power is love that inspires us to do the right thing and to be the right persons. So God's strongest power is nothing but love. Love, with His infinite love, is trying to change our nature, our life, and make us good citizens of the world. To be extremely frank with you, I have got very good response from this dedicated service, which you call concert, peace concert. Here the audience was extremely kind to me, and they offered their full receptivity. So if I want to say how I feel with regard to today's performance, I must say that it was all positive. There was no negative feeling. I have not felt even an iota of negativity from anyone, from the audience. And for that, I'm extremely grateful to the soul and heart and life of Hungary. As I said before, Hungary is hungry for God's love, God's blessings, God's fulfillment here on earth. And all admiration, all love for Hungary, because Hungary is truly hungry for God's compassion, blessings, love. Well, I'm very, very grateful to you for seeing extraordinary capacity. But I used to say, what you call my extraordinary capacity is only God's unconditional grace. You call it capacity and I call it grace, grace from God. Unconditional grace. With this unconditional grace, He enters into my heart and my music to serve Him with utmost love, devotion and surrender. Again, I used to tell you, call it capacity, extraordinary capacity. I call it God's unconditional compassion. He uses His unconditional compassion in and through me to be of service to each and every seeker and God lover who come to our service, which you call peace concert. It is His compassion, and you can call it capacity, except I'll say no, it is an iota of His compassion that He gives me to be of service to Him in His own way. Purpose is very simple. I feel all human beings belong to one family. All world luminaries are my brothers and sisters. I take it in that way. They are doing something great good for the improvement of humanity. And I am also trying to do the same. Carl Lewis was an extraordinary athlete. He won 9 gold medals. He is a very, very close friend of mine. And when it is a matter of spirituality, he is a really devoted student of mine. And again, when it is a matter of sports, I am his student. He has taught me many things with regard to sprinting. I have all love, all affection and all admiration. And I have met with President Gorbachev many, many times. Mandela, Nelson Mandela, President, many times. Mother Teresa 5 or 6 times, and the present Pope 5 or 6 times, and others. I go to them, or sometimes they come to me. It is like members of the family, same family, are being together. And you say, you call Thanksgiving Day, all the members try to come to be in the same family. See, here one family, one hard garden, there are many, many flowers, a variety of flowers. Each one has its own beauty and fragrance. So in a God's hard garden, we are all beautiful flowers with fragrance. I go to them, they come to me. With one purpose, in my case, to derive their affection, love, blessings, concern. What for? To be a better instrument of God. My life is to love God the Creator and serve God the creation. So for me, God the Creator and God the creation go together. So these luminaries that I meet with only with one purpose, to work together. There are 2 ways. One way is through outer activities. There is also another way through prayers, inner prayers and meditations. And I feel my way is to unite each and every human being on the strength of prayers and meditations. There are many ways to unite the world. And I feel my way is through prayers and meditations, which you call, in a broad sense, spirituality. Together, we all, brothers and sisters of this world, must work. Each one is unique in God's eye and God's heart. So these unique qualities of human beings, I try to collect together. Together we try to be of service to mankind. Mankind has to raise its consciousness, and only then we will be able to establish brotherhood and a life of oneness. Prayers and meditations are of paramount importance to bring about world peace, world harmony, world fulfillment in God's way.